So 2026 is round the corner and it will wipe you out unless you embrace artificial intelligence. And specifically, using the technology to build and become more efficient than ever before. Systems, leverage, automation, simplicity is going to be your secret and your most valuable advantage going into the brand new year. Vibe coding completely started to change the game in 2025. There is platforms like Lovable, for example, that completely took the world by storm. They're now a multi-billion-dollar company. It is absolutely a tidal wave that is going to wipe through all industries. Artificial intelligence is that transformation that we're going through, but we've only just getting started. 2026 is going to be at a more rapid pace of evolution than we've ever experienced before. So therefore, we must become AI first driven. We must have that AI first mentality. If you have the capabilities of going across your business and every single task, process, and you go, how can AI support me here? How can AI make this quicker, easier, faster, automated, simpler, being able to extract information and data? It's going to give you a huge, huge advantage. Now, vibe coding gives you the ability to program, to build, whether that's apps, software, whether that is you going to all your costs at this moment in time. What's costing you the most money? And you go, I need to build a little function for this. I need to build an automation for this. I can build an ecosystem that allows us to get faster, quicker, more optimized. That's what vibe coding introduced to the world in 2025. 2026, you're going to see your competitors, you're going to see the people that you're trying to compete with. You're going to wonder, if you do not adopt this, you're going to wonder, how are they doing it? What are they doing? How do they get there so fast, so productive? How are they able to achieve these margins, this profitability? It's because they're doing something that you're not currently doing. And it's a tidal wave that is coming your way. So this year, we've literally spent about 11 months of so many artificial intelligence tools that is going to come out for us in 2026 significantly. For example, if you think of like many of the tools that businesses maybe use, like even like scheduling tools, right? Call scheduling tools, like a Calendly, for example. You can now build your own Calendly. Instead of it costing $45 a month, $75 a month, however many users you've now got the capability of actually just building your own. That is powerful. If you think of a CRM, if you think of marketing, if you think of sales, if you think of operations, if you think of customer success, if you think of human resources, HR, if you think of all the different functions across your business, from finance to administration, there are tools or processes that you're doing right now that you have the capability with AI vibe coding, and that's just one example that allows you to get to work and fundamentally change the game. Now, what we've done is we actually created a school, and you can check this out. It's got a 7-day free trial, which is going to take you through the process of actually building from start to finish within 28 days your very first software or app. That is going to just support you. And all risk has been taken away. Number one, by a 7-day free trial. But number two, if you don't get a result after 28 days, it's 100% refunded money back, because that's how powerful the technology is. So going into a brand new year, when the world is changing so rapid, if you think of so much that's happened, I highly, highly, sincerely encourage you to put AI pretty much at the top, right? At the top of your thought processes, your ideas, how you can make things quicker, faster, better, dashboards that you can create, organization that you can create, the KPIs that are coming into your business, how you can make better strategic decisions on the KPIs. And vibe coding gives you the ability to fundamentally build whatever you desire to see. And you don't need to be a software engineer. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to have years of experience. You've got some of the best engineering technology with AI. So powerful. So incredibly powerful. Like our brand new website in terms of kevblackburn.com, kevblackburn.com is now built upon an AI first platform. It gives me the ability just to build and do what I fundamentally want. And I can create API integrations. I can do lots of amazing things that I was never able to do before. Over the years, I've gone from Thrive themes to WordPress to Kajabi, and now it's like AI is the new foundation. So therefore, we need to build within the AI foundation of the future. It's like when social media first came. When social media came into the world, it changed the foundation. Every business needs to be on social media. When the internet was first born, every business needed the foundation to be on the internet. AI is that transformation as well, because AI is here to stay. It's not going to go anywhere. And I predicted at the start of 2025, I created a video saying the rise of agentic platforms. In particular, the agentic e-commerce platforms, but it's actually the rise of agentic platforms in every single industry, because it's a horizontal enabling layer. It will be everywhere. It is in everything. And fundamentally, from your administration to your finances, to your HR, to your sales, to your marketing, to your operations, to your relationship building, to your whatever your business does, whatever you're doing, AI will give you an advantage significantly. And here's the crazy thing. When these functions and when you build these potentially functions independently, and then you create the ecosystem which connects everything, that's the tidal wave. And there's going to be companies that are already doing this and companies that are going to be adopting this, because it'll be the only way to be able to compete. It'll be the only way to be able to compete in the marketplace. Your competitors will outwork you if they are adopting this. I'm saying this to you just as much as I'm saying it to me. This is why we're so focused on it. This is why my thoughts are so, what can we do? How can we work? What are we doing to embrace this technology as quickly as possible? Because it's going to help you. It's going to make things easier. It's going to make things faster. It's going to make things less complex. It's going to simplify things. And it's going to give you the mental space capacity to go, okay, I can now spend some time to strategize a little bit easier, a little bit better, a little bit more, sharpen the axe. So certainly something that I've been thinking about. I've been thinking now for a good 2 years or more now. And it's here. It's here to stay. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. And if anything, just check out the link down below. Check it out. It's 7 days. You can check it out if you like. It's no risk whatsoever. And you'll see we go through a 4-week live workshop that I did with the members, a 4-week live workshop where we actually start to build in real time. And not only that, we've got examples within there of members that have built different things, such as the finance app, for example. So I hope you enjoyed this. Give me your thoughts down below. It's without a doubt, I want to put it up there with the greatest threat to your business if you don't adopt, but it's also on the other side, it's the greatest advantage that your business can give you. So my name's Kev, inspiring you every single day to keep taking massive action.